Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at your weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com app. And looking at the weather pattern, basically the surface map, a rare July cold front making its way through the Arkeltex here this evening. It'll continue to work its way through the region this evening and tonight. In the wake of this front, it'll take the rain chances with it and also most of the clouds, as we'll see the return of some sunshine tomorrow. You can see that strong north to northeasterly wind, which is going to stay rather breezy tonight and tomorrow. It will bring in some drier air, also going to bring in some cooler air here into the Arkeltex for especially the middle part of the work week, and then we'll see that air mass modify somewhat as we work our way towards the weekend. As far as severe weather, this front will give us at least a small chance of seeing a strong to severe thunderstorm or two during this Monday afternoon and evening. Main concern will be damaging straight line wind, but again, those issues should be rather isolated, as most of the storms will likely remain below severe limits, but we could have some gusty winds with these thunderstorms, and a little bit of hail will be possible in spots as well, and you can see that risk will be highest basically over the heart of the Arkeltex, mainly very late Monday afternoon through the evening hours. That risk will obviously decline as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. So here's a look at temperatures first of all, as we're looking at lows across the Arkeltex tonight. That will be cooler where the front moves through sooner across the northern sections of the area. You can see the 68 degrees tonight in Idabella as well as in Queen and Hope, 70 in Texarkana, 72 in Shreveport, 72 also as far south as Natchitoches. Daytime highs tomorrow with the drier air in place. You will notice the break in the humidity tomorrow as well as Wednesday and even Thursday, as we'll see highs for the most part in the mid-80s across the region. 84 in Texarkana, 86 in Shreveport, 86 in Marshall, and 87 for the high temperature tomorrow in Mansfield. So as far as rain, here's a look at Robin's Tour to Futurecast, showing you the scattered showers and thunderstorms, which will head to the south here during the evening hours. Again, a few isolated cells could be on the strong side, but a decent shot you'll get a little bit of rain at your house here during the afternoon or evening hours. That is already beginning to occur as I record this in the middle portion of the afternoon across the northern sections of the area. This rain will quickly move out as we go through the nighttime hours tonight, and we'll also begin to see the clouds decrease. Notice the breezy north to northeasterly wind also continuing. Expect quite a bit of sunshine mixing in with a few clouds as we go through your Tuesday, but nothing too much to worry about as far as rain for tomorrow. As we go through tomorrow night, we'll see a clear sky. That wind will die down, and with a drier air in place, clear sky, less wind. Temperatures tomorrow night down pretty close to records in spots, as we'll bottom out in the low to middle 60s across the Arkeltex for your Tuesday night, and expect much the same for Wednesday night as well. As we go through Wednesday, again, a mix of lots of sunshine and just a few clouds. We'll see that become mostly clear during the nighttime hours Wednesday night, and Thursday our dry weather pattern will continue. In fact, let's take Robin's Toyota Futurecast in through the rest of the work week. See the sunshine for Thursday with a few clouds mixed in, and we'll see that dry weather pattern continue, as I mentioned, through Friday as well. Here's a look at the overall weather pattern. You can see that big trough which is developing over the eastern sections of the country, big ridge over the Rockies, and of course the northwesterly flow between the two in the upper levels of the atmosphere. That's what's pushing that cold front southward through the Arkeltex. That trough is going to build back to the north and east. The ridge will fill back in. We'll start to warm up late this week, and as that occurs, we will see the chance for the scattered shower thunderstorm return this weekend, especially Sunday and possibly Monday, with the return of the humidity and of course the heat that goes in with the ridge that's building back over the area. So it's back to normal for the most part by this time next week, as you might expect. Can't expect the cooler temperatures to last forever, and rainfall potential, not really a whole lot. Again, probably looking at in spots a half an inch or so. If you get underneath one of those stronger thunderstorms, that definitely will be a possibility with the activity that's anticipated for tonight. So your 7-day forecast for Shreveport, first of all, you can see the drop in temperatures, mid-80s the next couple of days, upper 80s, low 90s by the end of the work week, low 90s through the weekend. There is that chance for the scattered shower thunderstorm, which will be highest Sunday, but still not an all-day washout. Overnight lows, you can see the mid-60s in Shreveport for Tuesday and Wednesday nights, should recover back to the low 70s by the weekend. In Texarkana, you're looking at similar conditions. Lows tomorrow night, low to middle 60s, 63 in Texarkana tomorrow night and Wednesday night, back up close to 90 by Saturday, and we'll stay pretty close to 90 with that chance of rain returning through the weekend. So all in all, it looks like a break from the typical Arkeltex summer conditions here for the next few days, as a cold front producing some scattered thunderstorms this Monday evening should end, by the way, that rain, and then we'll see the return of some sunshine, drier air, and cooler temperatures for the middle of the work week.